1. Q. What is the primary purpose of the ALARA principle? A. To increase radiation exposure. B. To minimize radiation exposure. C. To maximize image quality. D. To reduce patient dose. Answer. B. To minimize radiation exposure. 2. Q. What is the function of the collimator? A. To control X-ray beam energy. B. To control X-ray beam size. C. To control X-ray beam direction. D. To control X-ray beam intensity. Answer. B. To control X-ray beam size. 3. Q. What is the difference between a PA and AP projection? A. PA beam enters from front, AP beam enters from back. B. PA beam enters from back, AP beam enters from front. C. PA beam enters from side, AP beam enters from top. D. PA beam enters from top, AP beam enters from side. Answer. B. PA beam enters from back, AP beam enters from front. 4. Q. What is the purpose of the grid? A. To increase radiation exposure. B. To decrease radiation exposure. C. To reduce scatter radiation. D. To increase image quality. Answer. C. To reduce scatter radiation. 5. Q. What is the unit of measurement for X-ray energy? A. Kilovoltage peak, kVp. B. Milliamperage, mA. C. Röntgen, R. D. Gray, G. Answer. A. Kilovoltage peak, kVp. 6. Q. What is the purpose of the Bucky factor? A. To compensate for grid absorption. B. To compensate for patient absorption. C. To compensate for X-ray tube absorption. D. To compensate for image intensifier absorption. Answer. A. To compensate for grid absorption. 7. Q. What is the function of the automatic exposure control? A. To regulate X-ray exposure time. B. To regulate X-ray beam energy. C. To regulate X-ray beam size. D. To regulate X-ray beam direction. Answer. A. To regulate X-ray exposure time. 8. Q. What is the purpose of the lead apron? A. To protect from radiation exposure. B. To increase radiation exposure. C. To decrease radiation exposure. D. To reduce image quality. Answer. A. To protect from radiation exposure. 9. Q. What is the difference between CR and drive? A. CR uses phosphor plate, doctor uses flat panel detector. B. CR uses flat panel detector, doctor uses phosphor plate. C. CR uses image intensifier, doctor uses phosphor plate. D. CR uses phosphor plate, doctor uses image intensifier. Answer. A. CR uses phosphor plate, doctor uses flat panel detector. 10. Q. What is the purpose of the quality control program? A. To ensure consistent image quality. B. To increase radiation exposure. C. To decrease radiation exposure. D. To reduce patient dose. Answer. A. To ensure consistent image quality.